Hello, my name is Brian Serrano and I'm with the Cisco Tech Architecture team. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of reserving an Hsec license on a Catalyst 8000V using the offline method. Let's get started. First, log into the Catalyst 8000V. To quickly check if an Hsec license is installed, use the Show License Authorization command. Additionally, if you attempt to set a throughput higher than 250 megabits per second, a message will indicate that the throughput will be configured once an Hsec license is installed. Now, let's collect the UDI information, which includes the product identifier and the serial number. You can obtain this by running the Show License UDI command. Next, let's log into the Cisco Smart Software Manager, or CSSM, by using software.cisco.com and click on Manage Licenses. Next, make sure you're on the correct Smart account. Then click on the Inventory tab. Go to your virtual account where the Hsec license was deposited, and then click on the Product Instance tab. Now, click on Authorize License Enforced Features and click on Proceed at the Disclaimer Notice. Paste the serial number and the product ID information and click on Next. Reserve one Hsec license and click on Next. Click on the down arrow and select DNA On-Prem and click on Continue. After reviewing confirming the information, click on Generate Authorization Code. You will have the option to copy the authorization code to your clipboard or download as a file. In this case, let's download as a file and click on Close. Put the file in a TFTP server and copy it to the router using the copy command. Now import the authorization code using the License Smart Import command and the name of the file. If you run the Show License Summary command, you should see that the Hsec license is in use. This is because we previously configured the device to use a throughput higher than 250 megabits per second at the beginning of the video. If the Hsec license shows as not in use, verify that the throughput is set higher than 250 megabits per second using the Show Platform Hardware Throughput Level command. If needed, you can configure it using the Platform Hardware Throughput Level MB command in configuration mode. If you encounter any issues, please contact Cisco Tech for further assistance. Thank you for watching.